How are we doing?
Just getting some live greens from nature.
Ooh, I see something cool.
Do you bake cookies? Do you bake cookies?
I don't cook or bake.
Oh yeah, dumb
None of
question. We're at one of our favorite go-tos, Crate and Barrel. Come along and watch what we pick. I'm a huge fan of garland on the table. What about a runner? A table runner. This is a hard no for me. I'm not gonna buy a baby stocking for my...
You don't like these?
Not for, no. I love this. How would I ever...
Do that at home? I mean, you'd have to put hooks in the ceiling, which is fine.
It's not fine. I would never, ever put hooks, but I could attach some greens to my light as long as they were light enough.
Well, and if the light spans the
But
ceiling.
I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna hang
Really
greens
pretty.
from my light. I'm gonna try that. Okay, let's see what else we like. No.
I mean, maybe for kids.
Is it for, no.
These are cool. Oh my
What
gosh.
are they?
They go at the bottom of the tree. You put your presents around
I
them.
love that.
Like this one.
Tree collars. I like
think I would
these.
get
I've
this.
never seen these. That's new.
So cool.
I've never seen those. Okay, I'm a total sucker for
I love
wrapping
this.
paper. But do you know the trick about wrapping paper?
What is it?
Well, I don't really have one.
Well, isn't the wrapping paper tip that you buy it after Christmas for the following year?
Yeah, so I need to put the reminder in my phone
Yes,
for
January
February.
1st.
This is it. All you
this
need
is
to
what
do,
you need to do for your place setting.
twigs from your yard,
Yeah,
and then tie it with that and you're done.
done.
That's cute.
What do you think about stockings? These all seem a little boring.
My
to me.
stockings, everyone has stockings. If you don't have a stocking, then you need to put thought into it and making it personalized. But I've had, stockings to me don't need to look perfect. They need to be sentimental. That's me. I'm gonna start with the
Stockings?
stockings.
How do you hang them up here?
Gently. I try to reuse the same holes every year.
Oh, I see.
Is your tree, like, do you have a theme tree or do you just
No,
have
I just put all of our favorite sentimental ornaments on it. What about you?
definitely sentimental ornaments? I like a little Santa. I love
on
him.
here?
This is every year. Like I grew up with this guy.
So cute.
Oh, that's cute. You could do that.
For a bachelor, that would be perfect. So cute.
Or a bachelorette. Let's just leave it there. You're welcome, Crate and Barrel.
Something that
I have, don't
Transition.
gag. You
fake.
can make fun of me. It's not shiny and plasticky. It looks pretty good, P-U-R-D-Y. I have fake mantle greens that I bring out of the box, and then I have to spend a couple hours while I drink a glass of wine and have Nat King Cole singing, and I have to straighten them out and reposition them again. And then I plug them in and the lights don't work. And then I swear, and I'm like, mother
And then you do it
trucker,
again every
I should
year.
have gotten another garland.
I take real pieces and I feather them into the fake. So you can't
Breaking
really tell.
news from Teal and Scott. Okay, that's
Yeah.
amazing.
So you would use this, and then you just get some greens that you like, feather in the greens.
That's smart. Wendy said, oh, just go grab some greens.
So just adding a little bit of real
Oh, that's amazing.
adds so much to the.
That's great. Would have never thought of it. What's going on here? Why do we want such a super skinny slim?
What if you don't have a lot of space?
But I
Tiny
mean,
little
that's like
apartment.
really,
It's
that's,
fun. It's like a Charlie Brown tree, but just.
yeah.
How do you feel about these things, Teal?
What?
Like all these little.
That is the hardest no I've ever knowed. I don't want tchotchke shit everywhere. No.
New Year's.
I kind of like that for New
That's
Year's.
so fun.
I like that from holiday to New Year's.
It's just storing
I don't
it.
think these are bad. I'm not kidding. Take a step back and you don't see the glisten. These are bad, but I would agree that these aren't.
Yeah, they're not bad.
And what's going on here? Is this, have you ever flocked a tree? Oh my gosh,
I
khaki.
have a fake tree.
Oh, well, that's
'Cause
equally
I'm
as bad.
allergic to it.
Oh, the greens? Oh.
So I think these would be great on the coffee table.
Oh, coffee table, yes.
And like, yeah, because
This will be on the table.
They'll be in
That'll be in the
different rooms.
Oh, yeah, that makes
I think
sense.
they still look good together.
Yeah. Which size would you do for the coffee table? You don't want them too tall. Would you do one size of that and one size of that? And would you do red? This is matching. This is gonna match my
color.
Okay, this is gonna
like red.
This is gonna match my living room more. But like, if you're trying to do holiday. Yes.
Well, are we trying to redo your whole living room vibe with new things, or are we trying to feather in and make it?
We're trying to feather in.
So let's do something that you love that you could use year round that you feel like is going to really dress it up for Christmas.
This.
We have to be careful now that we have lots of colors, so we have to just see.
So would you ever?
This is pretty.
Let's get those. That's great. We need 8 more of these.
Sure.
And then I need a tree skirt.
Okay. From Crate and Barrel, we got these blue candlesticks because they pick up the blue. I mean, those are beautiful.
I love how you picked those at Crate and Barrel, Wendy, because they are unique shape. They're, it makes it kind of artsy and fun. They're not red and green. I can use them year round, but it makes me feel like I'm dressing up the space with glass in the space that also goes with my living room as is. I feel like it looks really good.
Yeah.
I think the key to everything is lighting. So for me, if I were entertaining, I'd put 2 little votives in the candle holders in the back, the little sconces. Turn on the tree, turn on the lights. I would definitely have some candle light here. So let's turn on the lights.
Yeah.
Let there be light.
Hopefully these tips help you no matter what holiday you're celebrating. Obviously here we're celebrating Christmas, but you might be celebrating Hanukkah or whatever. Using greens if you have an artificial tree or an artificial piece of garland to weave in to add some extra character and fun.
The same things happen when Wendy's styling a bookshelf or another space in your home. Think about tall and short and having your eye cluster and move through. She allowed space for greens and then kind of clustered the little Santa Clauses, and I think it turned out really well. We have pops of color. Everything doesn't need to be red and green, but you can see the pink kind of nudges in that direction.
I brought some gifts that we can go through. Have you done any Christmas shopping?
No, not yet. I know, I've done 0. Holiday season can be overwhelming with all the gifts and potential items to buy, but we have selected a few that involve home, can't avoid beauty, and cozy that we like to talk about today.
I have a few things that I want to talk about that I'm just obsessed with, and then Teal has a few things that are must-haves for your space if you're hosting this season or if you're looking to get your wife or partner something that will really excite and delight them. I brought Christmas cards because I can't go a year without minted Christmas cards. Have you ever used minted?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, they're amazing. And you can get really thick paper. Our kids love picking out all the pictures that we put on the back, and we always do a fun family photo on the front. So I would highly recommend going to Minted if you haven't already.
In the old days, we used to use one of these, which is a dimmer that you plug lights into that don't dim so that you can slide the scale and make them dim. But gone is that, and my new gift for this year that has to do with lighting, of course, is tech-savvy smart bulbs. Am I late to the game? Maybe I am, but these lights turn on and off from my phone, and I can control the color temperature and the dim value, whether it's low or high for task lighting or for entertaining. And the best part, wait for it, is they're from Amazon. They're so easy. You connect a little app to your phone. They're the best gift for a stocking. Someone's gonna gift them and be like, wait, what? Light bulbs? They can use them as security lights over when they're out of town over the holidays maybe. You can control them from your phone. The best part also is that you can connect the color temperatures and dim value in the room with all of the lights on the same bulb on the same color temperature, and you can group them together. Super exciting. Get them this Christmas. It's always important to keep the glow and the polish going when you're going to work or your holiday events or parties. Wendy and I both can't live without our ZO products. It's ZO, right?
Yeah, ZO.
Yeah. They have face polish, which we can't live without. It actually exfoliates to the point that you're supposed to. See the link below, and then they have a youth serum. And then the night lip mask is amazing. It keeps these smoker creases on the DL.
This is also our favorite go-to for skin. It's a kid's sunscreen stick, and it's really easy to apply so kids aren't squirming and upset because you have liquid all over their face. and they actually enjoy putting it on their face as well. So this is going in my kids' stockings.
Ooh, that's a good one.
One more thing we can't live without this year are ornaments from Paper Source. We love Paper Source because they have such fun and whimsical ornaments. This one's an oyster ornament. It's going to my mother-in-law. Sorry if you're seeing this early.
That's so cute. This one's wrapped.
Yes, so I don't really want to unwrap it, but you get the point. It's a beautiful wool checkered blanket from Tartan Blanket Company.
That's
They're out
really
of
pretty.
England, and they do big sales. So definitely check them out, and yeah, you just can't go wrong with a blanket like this for a gift. This is a really great picture frame because it has metal, it has wood, it has neutral colors, so it really goes with everything. And what we always say is round out those hard edges, and because this is a circular shape, it'll look great on any bookcase or table that you have.
Where's it from?
Paper Source.
Oh wait, Wendy, these we loved. We found these travertine napkin ring holders from Crate and Barrel, which are so cute. I think you can use them year round, so it's a good investment for Christmas. But Wendy's idea was stick a twig in there or wrap with a little ribbon to Christmas it up. But these are great for year round. And you loved these place card holders. These place cards are amazing, and it makes for a fun little table setting.
And think about the place card as it doesn't have to be paper. You could use a leaf with a Sharpie marker.
Ooh, I love it.
Or something else that might come to mind that's creative that will add a lot of
That's so fun.
interest to your table.
Yeah, we love these.
So make sure to check out in the caption below the link to our Shop My Board, as well as links to some of these products that you're seeing today.
We hope the holiday season brings you lots of joy with family, the family dynamics. I hope we keep at bay, keep it positive, let the stuff go. Gifts aplenty and lots of fun with food and friends and family.
If you learned something today or you really like this video, please click the like button. It's vital to continue these videos for you. Also, follow our Substack. The link is below. That's where you're going to get a bunch of our favorite products and looks so you can shop how we shop today. Thank you so much.
Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright. Okay, it goes away. Anyways, this is flocked, Wendy. This is flocked.
Oh my gosh, I love it.
That's flocked.
That's great.